Scene. A father and his daughter are sitting on the porch, sipping lemonade, when the father decides to teach her some new idioms. Father, so, I've got 10 more idioms to teach you today. Ready to learn some new phrases? Daughter, definitely, Dad. I love learning idioms. Father, great. Let's start with, a leopard can't change its spots. Daughter, does that mean a leopard can't change its appearance? Father, exactly. This idiom means that people can't change their fundamental nature, just like a leopard can't change its spots. So, if someone has always been rude, they might not suddenly become nice. Daughter, oh, I see. What's next? Father, bite the hand that feeds you. Daughter, does that mean to actually bite someone's hand? Father, not really. It means to harm or be ungrateful to someone who has helped or supported you. For example, if someone is always helping you, but you treat them badly in return, you're biting the hand that feeds you. Daughter, that's pretty rude. What's next? Father, you can't judge a book by its cover. Daughter, does it mean judging someone based on how they look? Father, exactly. This means that you shouldn't judge something or someone only by their outward appearance. You need to look deeper to understand their true value. For example, just because someone is quiet doesn't mean they're not friendly. Daughter, that's true. What's next? Father, let sleeping dogs lie. Daughter, does it mean not waking up dogs? Father, no. It means not to disturb a situation that's calm, especially when disturbing it could make things worse. If there's an old argument and everyone has forgotten about it, it's better to let sleeping dogs lie rather than bring it up again. Daughter, oh, so just leave things alone when they're peaceful. Father, exactly. Now, here's the straw that broke the camel's back. Daughter, what does that mean? Father, it means the final, small problem that makes everything collapse. Imagine a camel carrying a lot of heavy straw, and one last piece makes it break. It's the little thing that pushes someone over the edge. Daughter, oh, like when I got really upset over something tiny after a tough day. Father, yep, exactly. Next, we have, a bird in the hand is worth two in the bush. Daughter, so, it's about birds. Father, not really. It means that it's better to hold on to something you already have than to risk losing it by trying for something better that you don't have yet. It's like keeping your safe and sure thing rather than chasing something uncertain. Daughter, so it's better to be content with what you have. Father, exactly. Here's another one, cry wolf. Daughter, does that mean to cry when a wolf is around? Father, kind of. It means to raise a false alarm, to cry out for help when there's no danger. If you keep telling people there's trouble when there isn't any, they might stop helping when something real happens. Daughter, oh, I see. What's next? Father, caught red-handed. Daughter, does it mean getting caught with red hands? Father, no, it means to be caught in the act of doing something wrong. It comes from the old days when someone was caught with blood on their hands after committing a crime. If you're caught cheating on a test, you'd be caught red-handed. Daughter, oh, I wouldn't want to be caught like that. Father, yeah, definitely not. Now, here's one you've probably heard before, the best of both worlds. Daughter, what does that mean? Father, it means having the advantages of two different situations at once. For example, if you get a job you love and still have plenty of free time to spend with family, you're experiencing the best of both worlds. Daughter, that sounds amazing. What's the last one? Father, when it rains, it pours. Daughter, does it mean it rains a lot? Father, not exactly. It means when something bad happens, it often feels like more bad things happen at once. For example, if you miss the bus and then spill your lunch, you might say, when it rains, it pours. Daughter, oh, like when everything goes wrong at once. Father, exactly. Daughter, thanks, Dad. These idioms are fun, and I'll try to use them. Father, you're welcome, sweetheart. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using them without even thinking.